lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with AFsisterwig. Me just love how AFsisterwig always wrap them box like it's a present, and I mean it's Christmas, so why not? So first thing I'm seeing when I open the box is this comb, and then I'm seeing the wig, edge brush and comb, wig cap, and that's everything. So this is a Swiss lace wig, guys. It's Swiss lace. So apart from it being you being able to apply this to any and every skin tone, it's important that you know that it's a very delicate hairline. In terms of the lace, guys, the hairs were hand tied, so there really isn't any need to go in and pluck this any further. You see that on my hand back, it's perfectly plucked. It's really flat and it's thin, so this lays really flat. It lays really flat and it's nicely plucked. It's pre-bleached. There isn't really much else to do because they sent this wig perfectly customized. So I feel like the lace is on 10, honestly and truly. The curls look really good. They felt really good. It was soft and everything was well together. You know, I feel like this is a really great quality wig, and you know, it's just really nice. I was still showing you it on my hand back there to show you how well it camouflaged on my skin. So when I applied it here, you could see how well like snugged it was on my head. Like, look at that, so realistic. So I love the appearance. It didn't, when a wig is this nicely customized, I find that it cut down, you know, your work time in terms of installation, because you don't have to be worrying about doing too much to make the wig look realistic, you know. It's nicely graduated in the hairline, you know, the lace is really thin, so it's like you're using your adhesive to apply it, yeah, but not as much as maybe you'd use before, if you get what I mean, because it's so thin, so the lace grabs onto the product quite easily, and I love that. As usual, I went in with my Got To Be spray, and I feel like not to sidetrack too much, but I feel like hairlines like these, laces like these, are perfect for timeless occasions like a wedding, you know. If you want to go for a lace front wig, I feel like your best option is a Swiss lace, because it melts down so nicely and it appears like, it looks like scalp, so it's going to photograph beautifully. It's going to appear in that video very nicely. So you want the best quality possible for an occasion like that. And yeah, I'm just happy with how times have, you know, integrated and they've improved, and you know, now they have laces like this. I can't say it enough. I know it's not the first time showing you guys a Swiss lace, but every time I get one, it's like it leaves me in awe, you know. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just applying the adhesive right across the hairline, and it doesn't take much work. It really doesn't take much work at all. And the more I went in and I applied this, I realized that, you know what, I'm not gonna do no baby hairs today. The only thing I wanted to do was my sideburns. Of course, you know, I take my elastic band to further help to melt everything down to look really, really nice. And then I cut away the excess lace. When I was cutting away the excess lace, I realized, you know, I really want to show you how undetectable this lace is. So I went ahead and I actually cut off a piece of the extra lace. I was just showing you how it's looking right there, how nicely melted it is. I cut off a piece of lace and I got to be glued it on the back of my arm to show you that, like, you almost could have recognized where it was. So it's really thin, guys, and very undetectable. So that is just, it's a beauty, man. It's really a beauty. Guys, you see, I ended up showing you the lace on my handbag. I really needed you to see how well the lace melts, and I must say, Swiss lace from AFsisterwig has always been good. It's not just no maggot Swiss lace from them, and the quality has always been so amazing. so that is a plus. I'm not gonna do no baby hairs with this today. I'm not. I'm just gonna do the sideburns here. I haven't even removed this as yet, but it looks so good, so good. So I'm just gonna form a little, and I want to do a pull back. I'm all done with this wig. It is not only like a whole 20 out of 10 in the hairline, but the hair itself is really nice. It's very nice and curly. I got minimal shedding. Yes, I did. I didn't do any baby hairs for this, and it looks so realistic, so realistic. Like, it's a winner. AFsisterwig, thumbs up. This is amazing. It's gorgeous and I love it. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig and all the specifications in my description box, so if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. Yeah, go ahead and check that out. It is absolutely bomb. I feel like everybody start going really hard with them wig hairline nowadays. Like, these companies are really stepping out, so I love that. You know, quality on top of quality on top of quality. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then.